Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you rather a large canvas, and I haven't measured it, and I'm not going to do any maths because I have this wonderful tape. It is 30 inches or 75 centimetres by the same, so it's a square, which is cool. And I have some bright red, cobalt, blue, white and black, and I'm going to do a swipe. I have put some charcoal grey over for the base, and it's beginning to dry. It's a bit spotty because it's made up of previous pours that I tilted off and saved the paints, and it's rather nice, and so I want to do a swipe. So I'm going to just put some colours across the centre, and then because it's so big I might just do this as well. Gee, that's pretty blue. I just thought these colours would look really nice on the charcoal grey, and I'm not disappointed so far. And some red. And some red. I hope I get a nice pattern out of this. Now some white. I can see them getting cell formation over here already, so that'll be good. And smidgen of black. Don't want too much black because I've got the dark background, so just have them both different. The same, only different. Now I have a damp swipe cloth, and oh, and in you go, that's it. Oh yes, this is coming along all right, and showing the background, which is interesting. I'll have to go here again, I think, because I didn't get much here. Doesn't want to work, does it? Well, let's just do this. Maybe a little bit of white here. Whoops, I said a little bit. Okay. And I can just tap it along the bottom here and the sides. Right. Oh. Now I think what I will do is put a bit more white here, and perhaps a little red, since I dragged it down. And some black. Right, this is coming up nice. This is good. This is good. Now I'm going to have to come around, and hopefully I don't get in your, I might bring that over. Bring it into the corners a bit more. Oh, let's do this. A little bit different to the bottom. I'll put some colour up the edges there too, I think. What have we got? We've got a bit of red for here. and some blue. Right. Okay, so I'm going to just do it this way. Over the edge you go. And if you'll excuse me, I'll just get this side. How good is that looking? And obviously sinking to the centre, not happy Jan. Hopefully that will stop that from happening. Just a little tilt. Oops. Bring it back. Not much I can do other than I'm hoping you can see it. Alright, so fix that. It'll be good on the cups, she said. You'll have fun doing it, she said. Where'd that centre one go? He's not doing his job because he's skittish. Right, that should have it. Goodness, that is so pretty. I don't like that bit. Come here, cloth. And that looks a bit better. So what I'm going to do now is put the torch over it, and that blue's a bit stark, isn't it? See how we go here. What have we got? A bit of red. That might be nicer. Right. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find under show more below this video. Just washing off my hands, and I'm a bit upset about that. Where's another cup? Sinking in the middle. Let me see. Right, hopefully that'll do the job. Just dry my hands off and torch it as I said. So underneath Show More you find the recipes for the paints and the pouring medium, and you'll also find a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. Be good to have your company. Quite a few cells and lace. I'm glad I put that little bit of red on there because that's come up lovely. And that's really pretty. I got rid of a lot of air bubbles. I saw them popping away there. So I'm going to bring you down to have a closer look. I hope my granddaughter likes this one. It's her canvas and it had to be resurrected. It had passed away, but I'm sure she'll like this. It's nice and bright. Underneath Show More you'll also find a link to my Fine Arts America page. You're more than welcome to go and have a look at that and the other things that are on that website. And you'll also find a link to Priscilla Betzel's Amazon, where you'll find many huge amount of things, plus her book titled Because You Can. Such a good book. And oh, this is really pretty. Lose weight just walking around it. You can see the lace and the cells, and the blue is really bright. It's lovely, and I got lace in the black there from the white. Well, thank you very much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this, please give it the thumbs up. Click on subscribe and the little bell and you'll be notified when I put up new videos. And once again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.